Hello, everyone. Hi, I'm Fahimi Michael, and I want to welcome you to our MIT App Inventor Complete course for beginners. If you have ever dreamed of creating your own Android apps, but thought programming was too difficult, then this course is for you. In this course, I will teach you step by step how to build real Android apps without writing complicated code. By the end of this course, you will have the skills to design, build, and publish your own mobile application. So let's get started. I have created this course completely for beginners, students, and teenagers. Students across public and private schools, mainly for public schools, students within the age of 9 years and above. So this is designed to teach you how to build mobile application using drag and drop platforms, which means you don't need to write complex code. Everything you are going to be taught easy peasy. And the sweet thing about it is that to demystify the mystery about how do you want to do it if you don't have laptop, you can actually follow this short course with your mobile phone or tablet. Yes, everything we'll be doing will be based on our browser, right? So thank you for joining and let us enjoy the flow. You kindly share, like, and comment. Thank you. Without much ado, let us open our browser. Open your browser, then the first thing you're going to do is search for MIT App Inventor. Once you search for it, it loads this way. And all you just need to do is click on it. You have to sign up with your Gmail account. So if you don't have one Gmail account, try as much as possible to create one. It is very, very easy for you to do. So click on Create Apps. Once you click on Create Apps, wait for the page to load. Select your account. Then boom, everything loads here. Okay, so in this video we will not be building any project here currently, so I will just be walking you through this MIT app interface, the platform. So this is the welcome notifier, right? So click on continue. Then on your left hand side you have the menu for you to pick your user interface properties, right? You can scroll up, you can scroll down, you can see we have button here. If you want to use it, you can drag and put it here, isn't it? So if you want to use checkbox, you can drag, put it there. Date picker, it allows you to pick dates. If you want to add image, you can drag and put it here. So in order to make sure that I use the same platform you'll be practicing with, I'm also using phone to teach you this course, so that I am going to definitely have the same experience you're going to have as my students. So if you want to attach a label, you can drag. If you want to attach a progress bar, you can do that. List picker, list view, password text box, that is an input field for you to allow your user enter password. So if you want to see more other properties, just scroll, you can see we have them in bunch. So another thing is, if you click on layout, you will see other items under property, under layout as well. We have absolute, horizontal, and so on and so forth. So in the course of following this tutorial, you will learn how to use all these things to build your app. Media, let me click on media. Also on media, I have all these items under media. Camera, if you want to use camera. If you want to use image picker, if you want to apply sound, if you want to use sound recorder, speech recognizer, and so on and so forth, even text to speech. So we also have drawing and animation. These are properties under it. We have maps as well. You can use all these tools in your app development. Charts, data science, you can see sensors related to barometer, clock, and so on and so forth. Then we also have for social, right, which is contact. This one is going to allow user, once user click on it, it's going to allow the Android app to communicate with your mobile phone contact API. So We also have phone number picker sharing. This sharing allows you to share some content from your app to other social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on and so forth. We have storage as well. This gives your kind of app a permission to access users' device storage facility, connectivity, Bluetooth, and so on and so forth, and other things. Then we have option for extensions. We can import extensions on this platform. Now, the center screen we have here is very straightforward. So what does this center screen allows us to do? It's okay. The first aspect here which we have on the left hand side is called the component side, which is the component palette, right? So in this middle center, which is where we have our preview of our app, you can see screen one. This is a preview of where we are saying our app design. So this is where you see your components, each screen you are building. This is the viewer, right? Then at the top here, you can currently we have one screen here. We can decide to add more than one screen. You can see screen two. I can switch. You can see now screen two. I'm currently in screen two. If I switch back to screen one, everything I have here is in screen one. So then we also have our properties here, which shows all the properties you have in each screen. It shows them on this side. If I click on screen two now, you see that nothing is displaying here. If I click on screen one, you see all the items here, right? So I can edit and manipulate. If I click on this one now, it gives me option to manipulate all necessary parameters this text input field has, right? So if I click on button 2, also it allows me to control how my button looks like. If I can change the color to yellow. You can see it has changed to yellow. I can apply font bold. I can use italics. I can increase the font size. I can make the height. Let me adjust the width to the fill parent. It's going to match the width, complete width of this screen. So we were learning all these things. So this one is just to show you the introductory aspect of this platform, how you can use them. How do you test this your app? It's very straightforward. All you just need to do is you see you have different methods of testing. You can save your project to your phone, right? Then you can import project from another file to this project. Now you can just click on connect. Here it allows you to connect to different using different medium. So you can connect to your an external device using USSB or emulator or AI companion. So there is an AI companion that is attached to this platform in which you need to have. So how do you do it? Just go to Google Play Store. So now I'm trying to open my Google Play Store. So once you open it, just click on search. Then search for AI companion. Can you see? So here you can see the app I want to download, MIT AI2 companion. Just click on it. Can you see the name? MIT AI2 companion. Then click on install. So this allows us to run our app while we are building it. So you have to be patient for your app to download and install your phone.